Hi, I'm Dr. Astha Dayal and I'm a consultant gynecologist and I practice in DLF Phase 1 Gurgaon. I have completed my graduation and post-graduation from Maulana Azad Medical College and I've done my MRCOG from London. I have practiced in hospitals like Medicity and Artemis and now I'm privately practicing in Gurgaon. So I would like to discuss about preventive screening. Unfortunately, preventive screening is something that is highly ignored by women in India. And in fact, the only time when a woman visits a gynecologist is when she's actually pregnant. Now, the kind of diseases that we're having these days, like PCOD, thyroid, cancers, it is very important that we detect them at an early stage and treat them. And unfortunately, they don't produce any symptoms till a very late stage. So that is why a preventive screening is the need of the hour. So all women should get an annual preventive health check from a gynecologist. Now what happens in the gynae check? When you come to a gynecologist, we first take your history, in which we try and elicit factors which will put you at a higher than usual risk of getting a certain disease like PCOD or a cancer if you have a family history. And then we go on to an examination, which includes a breast examination. You can actually learn the examination from your gynecologist, which you should be doing yourself once every month. And now this is important because breast cancer is the most common cancer in women in cities in India. And in India, we have a 50% mortality of breast cancer. And the main reason for this is because it is detected at a very, very late stage. So, besides the self-examination, women should also go for a mammography once every other year once they're above the age of 40. Besides this, we also do an abdominal examination and an internal gynae examination. Now, an internal check is something which women really are apprehensive about, and that's the reason they don't want to visit a gynecologist. But believe me, it's not painful. At the most, it's a little uncomfortable or a little weird, and it does not even take a minute. During the internal check, we check you for any infections, sexually transmitted diseases, any cervical polyps, and any conditions of the uterus like a fibroid or ovarian cyst. And we can also take a pap test at the same time. Now, what is a pap smear? A pap smear is a test in which we just take cells from the mouth of the uterus, which is the cervix, and we send it for testing. It is a screening test for cervical cancer, which actually detects the cancer 15 years before the cancer develops. Now, cervical cancer is the second most important cancer in women in India. In fact, one woman is dying every 8 minutes because of cervical cancer in India. And this is such a distressing statistic because this cancer is highly preventable and treatable. In fact, there is a vaccine, the cervical cancer vaccine, which can be given to women in the age group of 9 to 27. And this actually prevents the occurrence of cancer. It is given routinely in US and UK in schools, but in India, we are highly unaware about it. So it is a good practice to get your routine screening for a pap smear once every 3 years and an ultrasound annually to detect problems like PCOD and thyroid and other fibroids and all. So I would highly recommend that women do get an annual health check, and because the health of the woman reflects on the health of the family. So in case you want to get in touch with me, you can do that through Liberate, through a chat or a call, or you could consult me in my clinic in Gurgaon. Thank you.